Of the two ways to do geoengineering, we take the old school technique for granted. Farming, this old school technique, is more than sustainable, it is regenerative. And we've been doing it for millennia. By cooperating with nature, we can deal with climate change much better. Moreover, we would be a more resilient society, with better standards of living. Nature gives us an ecosystem of plants and animals that regulate the greenhouse effect, and our planet's climate. Plants remove carbon and sequester it into the ground. Perennials like trees and grass use more than half of the energy they absorb from the sun to maintain and expand their roots. In collaboration with fungus and insects, plants make the carbon-rich topsoil thicker. In this way, they store most of the carbon they absorb underground. For most of human history, we allied with plants. Before agriculture, we helped plants by managing animal herds. As hunter-gatherers, we regulated the behavior of animals. Many animals herd together to avoid predators. As they move fast across the landscape, they nibble the top of the grass. Their dejections fertilize the soil, and their hoofs aerate it. This leaves the root system in place, where it grows and adds more carbon to the subsoil. Domestic herds have the same effect, when we encourage their herding instinct. In pastures, subsoils grows thicker. With the help of mycelium and burrowing insects, other plants to come and colonize the system. The ecosystem grows, and retains more and more carbon. Farming also captures carbon. Its effect is more sustained, and it grows with the society that it serves. To get an idea, take a closer look at the Amazon rainforest. In many areas, the rainforest is no virgin, it thrives on the human-made soils. It conquered this terra preta from an early Amazonian farming culture that went extinct only 500 years ago. Nowadays, we go to extremes. Thanks to cheap energy, we industrialized agriculture. Our modern agribusiness thrives at the expense of the family farm. Unlike most family farms, agribusinesses evolve into mining operations that emit a lot of carbon dioxide. A more balanced system would sequester more carbon in the soils. Less centralized agribusiness. More decentralized, localized farming operations. Even modern suburbia can do its part. Victory Gardens would love to replace the English lawn. Going old school may not be the fastest method to mitigate climate change. Yet the fact remains that it is a no-regret solution. It has zero cost, and no downside. Thank you for your 2 minutes. For a deeper dive, you can find George's book, Planet A, on Amazon. See you in the next one.